I found this unique Mini Cooper S as I was walking to my next interview appointment that I had to stop and learn more about it. Maybe this is why so many exhibitors will showcase their products on display vehicles within their booths. That or just the fact that someone took the time to stuff an Ellis between the strut towers of this Mini. I'm here now, so might as well learn more about their company and products.
Hey everybody, Dan here from Sprint Booster USA. We're here with the V3 Sprint Booster. What this unit does, it allows you to get rid of that delay in your drive-by-wire vehicle throttle. You have 9 levels of incremental change: sport mode, race mode, there's a valet mode, and anti-theft all built into the same unit. Fantastic, makes drivability better on any drive-by-wire vehicle. You have thousands of application coverage. Feel free to check them out at sprintboosterusa.com.
Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and to turn on your notification bells to on. Here is a link to another video that you can check out, or one that YouTube thinks you may enjoy.